Hello everyone, welcome again to Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In the previous video, we created the platforms and we edited them to have clearance for the mechanical and electronic components. But we need to do another thing, we need to create clearance for the blade. So what I will do is to go back to the project that we are following and I will open it. And I will go in a left view and I will create a snipping tool screenshot. I will do it again so I don't see the snipping tool here as a ghost. Good. And I'll name it blade clearance. Perfect. I will close this. I will also close this project. And I will go here. I will click insert canvas. I will insert from my computer. And I will use the left plane. And I will try to use at this point those tools in order to place the canvas, because anyway the dimensions are not perfect anymore, so I will just use this as a reference. I will click OK. And another thing that I need is to edit the canvas and move it a little bit there, but I cannot do that because I projected it on this plane. But that's not a problem, we will move the sketch. So what I will do now is I will create a sketch, but I will use this face in order to create it. I'll do a rectangle, I press R on the keyboard, and I will do it only on a half of it. I'll move this, so I will fit the dimensions, and I will curve those corners. I will click OK, and I will use the mirror tool, so I will select those. I will select this line as the mirror plane and I will click OK. I will hide the sketch, the canvas, I will let the sketch, and I will use this. So I will call this clearance for the blade. And what I will do is to hide the body and click E and show the canvas, show the body. Okay, I will hide a little bit the bodies again because I need to select this as well. And I will show the bodies. And I will click OK. Perfect. And what I can see now is that here I have some problems, but don't worry. All I need to do is to show the sketch and just move it a little bit up. And everything will update automatically. Wonderful. So now, as you can see, I can properly watch now how the two parts are going together. I think I can do a new thing. So I will move it a little bit. So as you can see, this is how they go together in. And they perfect fit. Good. Now we have the clearance for the blade. And that was it for this video. Let's show again the left casing. So this is how it works and how it looks like. Good, let's save it. Clearance for the blade. And we'll continue the reciprocating saw casting in the next video.